guys, welcome back to my channel. Look what we're making today. A strawberry crunch cheesecake fruit salad. Let's get started. These are the fruits you're gonna need. You're gonna need some green grapes, an apple, and some strawberries. To make the strawberry crunch, I'm simply going to be using these two ingredients. These are freeze-dried strawberries, and these right here are just some vegan cookies that I picked up. They're also gluten-free. You can use any type of vanilla crunchy cookie of your choice. Add your cookies to the cookie processor. Those are 5 ounces of cookies. They're pretty light and airy. Add the strawberries. I'm just going to add the whole package. These are 0.8 ounces. They are so fun. I mean, look at them. They're light as air. I pulse this, but not too much. You want to keep it a little chunky. Any of the really big pieces, you could just take out. This mixture, it needs a little bit of something to hold it together. So I'm just gonna add a few teaspoons, just eyeball it until it all comes together. This is maple syrup. Next, we're gonna add some white chocolate chips to a bowl. With a tablespoon of coconut oil, you're gonna microwave this while stirring every few seconds until the chocolate chips are melted. All right, so here I have my apples. They're nice and fully dry. We're gonna dip 1 chunk of apple into the melted chocolate. I'm gonna just use a fork, take the apple out, and we're gonna dip it into the strawberry crunch. Look at that. If I were to see this, I would be like, what is that? It almost looks like hot Cheetos, doesn't it? You're gonna put this on a little rack and just let it harden up. Alright guys, I'm gonna take these little apple chunks and add them to all of my cut up fruits. And last but not least, I'm gonna top this with little chunks of cheesecake. Now today I'm using this Daya cheesecake. I've had this before, but I can't remember if I liked it. This was all they had at Whole Foods, so I'm like, dairy and gluten-free. I don't know if I'm gonna like this, but we'll give it a try. I mean, this is fruit salad, so I guess we could go a little healthier. Is this even healthier? Alright guys, I'm gonna finish this fruit salad off with a little drizzle of all that leftover white chocolate. Look at this! Is this not the most fun fruit salad you've ever seen in your life? If you brought this to any party, people would just like, they'll be like, what the heck is that? Okay guys, we're gonna try some of this. Let me get a fork. Okay, I'm gonna first, I wanna try an apple. This is like an apple crunch. The way it hardens looks so cool. Can you guys see this on camera? With that white chocolate drizzle. It's so fun. If I were to see this, I would be like, what is that? Whoa! That might be like one of the best things I've ever had in my life. At first, it tasted like a candy apple, like a caramel apple. It's so good. It's slightly sour and sweet. Whoa. Okay, I'm really tempted to try this cheesecake. Oh, it's so creamy. Do you guys like Daiya cheesecake? Daiya cheesecake, not too bad. It's very creamy. Okay, so together with the apple was very good. The strawberries right now are very much in season. They're all over the supermarkets. They're nice and red and juicy. It's unbelievable. The green grape. This is a fruit salad made in heaven. Now, if you guys enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave your comments down below if you tried it out. And as usual, stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes. All of them always with a unique twist.